to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker's American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for maple Swiss meringue buttercream. So let's get started.
First of all, our ingredients. We need 7 egg whites, 2 cups or 400 grams of brown sugar, 2 cups or 500 grams of butter, 1 tablespoon maple flavoring, half a teaspoon salt. First of all, separate the eggs and put the egg whites in a heat-safe bowl, either metal or glass. Whisk in brown sugar. Heat the mixture over a double boiler until the consistency gets thin, there's froth on the top, and there are no more grains of sugar visible. Oh, and the mixture feels hot to the touch. Beat the mixture until it is completely room temperature, and white and fluffy and stiff peaks. Slowly add the butter, about 2 tablespoons at a time. I also added the maple and salt at this point. Then beat it until it comes together in buttercream consistency. Now, the maple buttercream is off-white. It is not naturally brown. But I have mentioned this before, but often people don't think that something tastes like it does unless it looks like it tastes like it does. So I experimented with some brown food coloring. The brown food coloring was slightly grayish, so I added a bit of yellow and red to warm up the color. This maple buttercream tastes heavenly. It's absolutely amazing. I actually like it better brown. You don't have to color it, however, if you prefer the off-white. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.